got a little goose game.
Oh, we got a Caprice for sale coming tomorrow.
I know. I'm gonna have it up there.
Silver one, baby.
Hey, y'all.
Silver one, I got it.
Y'all interested in the for all my subscribers? Let me see, man. Who I with? Oh, Twisted Soul, you in here, ain't you? Twisted Soul, let me know when you in here. Break 19 one time. Twisted Soul, tell me what's on your mind. Okay, hey.
545.
I got access to another Caprice. You know, the one like everybody, the one like I got that everybody, they always be talking, man, I be looking for one of them things. I can't find one. This and that. Well, look, attention in the pits. We have a 2012 gray silver with the interior in it, not the plastic. So, hey, I'm thinking, you think I should raffle it, or how should I do, you know, do a giveaway? Yeah, should I do a giveaway on it? And let's see, I think when you see them cars with the wheelchair, they always be talking about I need to give away some and all that. I be thinking, how the hell, I'm trying to get some, I'm gonna give them. I ain't got nothing I want to give away. How you do that? Twisted Soul, I don't know if he know how to do it. Oh yeah, that is right. Hey. That is right, Team Thundercock. Man, I be thinking about that. I don't know how I be all that busy in the day. I be feeling like I'm bullshit. I be thinking about I ain't bullshitting. What the fuck going on? What's tomorrow, Friday? I'm gonna wake up, I ain't gonna have nothing to do. Oh yeah, I do. Damn, what is this? Hey y'all, here go one of them supers. Sound like he done got some work done to it though. Yeah, he done spent some money. Ooh, oh yeah, I can hear this one. This one sound good. Damn, I need a good picture of his ass. I'm trying to get a good picture. I'm gonna wait until he get all the way up here. CTSV for the win. I'm over here trying to get a picture of this super like he finna win the race. I should have been over there taking a picture of that Cadillac. Yeah, I should have been. I done messed up, y'all. What's that one again? Oh boy, you got it over here. Letting y'all see what's in the line real quick. We got a Hellcat up here. Where's your hot chocolate? I don't know, man. I need to go get it though. Where go Stone Vet? Hey man, I'm finna go get some hot chocolate, man.
Oh hell yeah, bro.
Oh hell yeah.
Cold out there.
You need to turn the turbo up in here, man. Turn it up. Let it eat. Man, I'm finna see if I can teach old boy, man. Man, look out, man.
What's up, look out?
Man, I'm trying to teach you. Look, no, boy, how you doing, man?
Went to rednecks and paychecks.
Oh yeah, I was up there. That was me up there. I had a good time up there at Rednecks and Paychecks. Yeah. Man, I'm trying to teach you all the tricks and shit. You ain't even listening to all the tricks.
I know, look, the thing, I need somebody, when I do go to the water and come out, I need somebody to hold the car because it's going to come back this way.
Nah, it's doing that because either you ain't got enough water or you ain't getting high enough in the RPM.
Okay.
You need to just, when you come out that water, 5,000 RPM. Look for 5,000 RPM. And hold the 5,000 with the brake. And then when you start feeling it grip, stay at the, keep on that gas. Don't get off the gas. Get off the brake and just let it start going up.
Okay.
Don't stop in the same spot that you started the burnout at. That's not how you do it. Do not stop in the same spot that you started the burnout at. You must roll forward. You wanna make a track in front of you with that hot rubber that you burning.
Okay.
That hot rubber, when you stop, you messing up. Then another thing, when you do your glue burnout, that's a small burnout, 3 to 5 seconds. You barely scooted up an inch. That's when you probably need to not move as much. That's where you can do a burnout and stay in that one kind of spot after you finish.
All right.
On the glue. You don't want to spread the glue all the way down the track. You want your glue right there in that little barely little spot. That's it. That's why all the rules. So we finna, that was me coaching you. We're gonna see how you do on this next run. You still winning though. Oh, he wants some more?
Yeah.
Let me see what he wants.